Hello everyone. This last video on electric uke playing at easy 2 level is about Help Me by Joni Mitchell. As ever, these videos are free, but you might sometimes get what you pay for. I'm not a professional. I'm making these videos because no one else seems to be doing so for electric uke. This song also means something to me because I had a coworker named Terry, now passed, who gave me my first ukulele years ago, and Terry once was housemates with Joni Mitchell in the 60s in Toronto. So there's my claim to fame. There's some pretty quirky chords here if we use chord use advanced setting, but as ever, I cheat. On the F major 7, I just skip fingers 3 and 4 and play a regular F, and for some reason on some of the more ridiculous C chord variations that only an octopus can play, and A minor often works the same. This is for you, Terry, and sorry, Joni, forgive your fellow Canadian for the shortcuts. Tune your uke and let's go.